What's up, MTV, and welcome to my crib. Come on in. There's just something off about this. I feel like if we want to get the true story to show you guys how we got here, we have to show you what it looked like beforehand. You can't have the beautiful without the ugly without the beautiful, ugly, beautiful, ugly, ugly, beautiful. Roll the clips. So you come in, and to the left we'll have a boardroom. Big, nice long table here, TV there. So that's the downstairs. And then we'll go upstairs to where the offices will be, actually. We're gonna try to redo the stairs so they're less hard. So as you come up here, this is all gonna be different. This is all added space that's gonna be here. This is gonna be my dad's office. So this will be like where his desk and stuff is. And then this is blown out 10 feet. So then there'll be like a TV, lounge, hangout area. Right here, we're doing glass partitions. So this is kind of a cool office because it overlooks the shop. We're gonna be putting in stairs from the shop that come up so that you could have access directly to the shop through an access right here. Bathroom number 4 is here. And then this will be the upstairs kitchen. Yeah, man, it's pretty gross in here. But again, we needed a project. We got a project. New signage on, fixing up this. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff that's gotta happen, but we'll get there. We'll get there. First off, along your journey, if everyone had headphones on, you're walking around like you're at a museum. If you look to your left and your right, you'll see nothing on the walls here. So when you're watching, yes, our offices are done and I'm giving the office tour, but there's still a lot of nice little touches we gotta do here and there. Like this is the only artwork we have, which says, please take your boots off. So walking in the front door, we have this area that there was like fireplaces and stuff in here before. This is gonna be a front desk with a receptionist. Kenway construction sign behind, possibly with some tile. That's probably a next winter thing. Although it kind of sucks when people come in right now. They're like, hello? And then I gotta like, walk down the stairs. G'day. Okay, moving on into the boardroom. You can see our on-air sign. The on-air sign is controlled by a switch in here because this is where I'm gonna be doing my podcast or having meetings. So when people see that on like that, that means that there's some shit going on in here that you don't wanna hear. This table was custom made 5 years ago for me. It has all of my family members' names on it from 5 years ago. It doesn't have my daughter's name or anything like that, but they all say Kenway Construction with a name on it. These boards are 110-year-old cedar. We varnished them, painted things black. We put the table in here. All these are wired directly into the TV. This area is super cool for like formal meetings. That's what's going on in here. Used to be a door here on your right. Now it's not. Deleted. Coming in here, furnace room in there. First shitter, nice shitter too. Like, look at that. You could poop like this if you wanted. You could do whatever you want. This door here goes out to the shop. We don't go out there. Lights, we got little stairs in we got stairs on our lights. This is where all the nerds do their stuff. Nerd stuff. As you can see, everything is being taken over by these shirts. And everyone's gonna go, man, I went on to go buy one and they're not on your website anymore. That's because when we drop something, we drop it and then you can never buy it ever again. So this is where we have round tables. We got a little thing here that goes up to the TV every Wednesday. Management sits around the table. We look at the TV, we go, ooh, that's amazing. This whole area was not here. We blew it out, built a second floor mezzanine. It's open space in the shop below us. There's 2,350 square feet of office up here. Going in here, hi, I'm David and I'm old as shit. Did you think I was him because I said I was old? This is Dad's office. He's got lighting up here, which he doesn't have on. Now it's on. Crown molding around the top. The on-air sign goes downstairs to the boardroom, so when I'm podcasting, I hit a switch down there so that he knows not to like, He's got his TV in here, fireplace, nice little chill area. We sit here normally on Fridays, casually have a soda pop or two. He's got a beautiful view of the garage, which is super dope. His glass is tinted, which is nice so that he could be up here doing whatever he wants to do during the day. I'm not one to judge what he does. This is the penthouse suite. If this was a hotel, this would be the penthouse suite office. Okay, going next is my wife's office, and she wasn't supposed to be here, so all my online girlfriends, I'm sorry to say I am a taken man. Jill got a little something she wants to say to the audience for all the wives out there that I want to get a ring on this finger.
What am I supposed to say?
Jill is not an online person. I put her on the spot. This is my beautiful wife. She handles all of the merch. This is her office. She's got a little TV in here, desk set up. She does all her stuff in here because our daughter's in full day daycare, and we are expecting another kid here in 11 weeks.
10 weeks.
In 10 weeks, I'm having another kid, a baby boy. So that's gonna be exciting. Okay, railing. We did a nice little aluminum railing, powder coated black. Wanted to do glass, but then a guy was like, you should do this. It ended up turning out dope. In here, we got nerd number one, Kyle. He's our head estimator here at Kenway Construction. Just kidding, he's not a nerd, I'm just being a dick. A TV here, he looks at our schedule, we got going on. He's got his Ryan Newman sign helmet up here. Kyle, how do you like the office?
It's awesome.
You like it? Better than the storage?
Way better than the storage.
Yeah. Offices, we did this big glass, but it's cool because when I go behind here, you can't see me. That's Kyle's. Brad left because he heard that we were talking and he's like, I don't want to be on camera because I don't like that sort of stuff. So this is Brad's office and we're going to go through his computer. No, I'm just kidding. We're not going to do that. People are going to see how broke we really are after doing all these renovations. Brad's got his photos up on the wall. That was new. He's got his certificate in here as well. This is super dope. This hat is from 1985, so Grandpa was still alive, but this hat was kind of remade off this. But maybe one day we'll do a complete throwback. This way we got shear number 2. In here's my office. Everyone, Brad, Dad, everybody's like, you gotta have an office in here, Taylor. But I don't need an office. I don't want it wasted on me right now. I literally just set this up this week. Got these cool lights because I feel like a gamer. I feel like I should be live streaming on Twitch. Mike Tyson signed glove right here. I got that at an auction. Super cool. Wooby got me this for Christmas. These are my daughter's fingerprints. This is a poster for the Tyson and Evander Holyfield fight that never happened in Vegas. But then when it did happen, I believe this was the fight where he bit the guy's ear off. So that's super cool. Favorite type of antique tractor is cockshut. So I got a cockshut tractor and then that matched it, so I bought that. I got a nice view of the shop out this way. That's kind of my office. There's not even a name on the door here. I wasn't gonna put myself in an office, but now I am. This is one of my coolest features of the office. Come check this out. So in here is a steamer. When I'm hanging out at work and I'm feeling grimy and dirty and I gotta go to a meeting or something like that, first of all, I can take a steam. If you go see this little screen over here, you boop, hit that, crank it up fully. This thing starts shooting out steam and it gets like insanely steamy and hot. Take a shower, get all clean, and you're good to go. It's nice having this, I tell you that. Okay, moving on backwards. Door to the shop, boom, this wasn't there, we blew that out. Those 2 areas were bathrooms before and they were rough and we have the footage to prove that. Kitchen, love it. Dishwasher, no one likes doing dishes around here. Coffee, what's up, man? This fucking weirdo, man. Yeah, coffee machines, microwave, stuff for all our everything. And then behind me here, as we're adding people to the team, we need extra office space. And having a treadmill and a bike in here just really doesn't make 100% sense. It's great, I use it every day in here, as you can tell. So this stuff's getting the fuck out of here. And we're gonna have another office space. That's what's going on here. And I'll show you guys, I guess, everything that we've done in the shop. So let's do that. This is the shop. Somebody forgot their rototilt on their excavator. Bay doors, we put those in. We put this in, drain, which is really nice. Tin all around. We kept that door. We got more signage up everywhere. That car is not mine. I wish it was mine. It's super dope. Mike's office is in there. You can go say hi to Mike.
What's up, bitches?
Mike built a table. Mike and Daniel kind of teamed up and nailed it. Beauty. Looks good. Let's wrap the video up out front with looking at the sun. Parkour! Parkour! This was a KWC shop tour. This is incredible. This was 54 years in the making to get what you see behind me right here. We also own this building too, fun fact. There's 10 acres here. There's 11,000 square feet of building on the property. It's incredible of where we come in the last 4 years, because I know the comments are gonna be like, Fuck you, Dad, you're fucking dad, and you fucking piece of shit, you fucking silver spoon fed motherfucker. I get it, but again, I work my ass off, and it's nice to finally see where this is coming. We have an amazing team, clients, and this is the reason why we're able to do something like this, and I'm happy to be able to show it to you guys. Let me know what you guys think, if we need to add anything, if we forgot something, if you think it's stupid what we have. Thanks for watching this KWC office tour. This is a big day, big moment. Appreciate it. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.